going on, guys? Jay, that drain guy. We're here to snake out a kitchen sink tonight in an apartment building. How you doing?
Hi.
Here to snake your sink?
Yes, plumber.
You left your keys in your door.
It's not mine. It's
Oh, the supers?
the supers, or yeah, I think the super.
Okay.
The super.
I'll throw those in the office.
Sure.
How's it going?
Good. So
Backing up by itself or just not going down?
not going down.
Is it backing up though?
If you're adding water, yeah.
That's the only way?
Yeah.
Okay.
What do you mean that it's the only way?
No, because
Every time
sometimes...
I put water,
Yeah.
then it's clogged.
No, I understand that. But if it's in the main stack, if somebody up above uses their water, that's
No,
okay.
no.
Okay, that's all I need to know. Thank you. Do you got any paper towel?
Towel?
Paper towel? I just want to plug these up.
I have a regular tissues.
Oh, no, that's okay. I'll figure it out. Thank you.
Just been 5 years in this apartment.
No issues? Is this the first time?
On 5 years.
That's good.
Yeah, 5 years.
For an apartment? For an apartment, that's
Actually 40 years and 8 months.
really, eh?
Yeah. From 2016. Never happened. It's ironic that I'm leaving after 2 months. 1.5 months.
Oh, really, eh?
So it's only happened when I'm leaving.
Can I unplug this?
Yes, cool.
Thank you. So you found another apartment or
No, going to townhouse.
townhouse? Nice.
Yes, yeah.
No, that's good.
Because of me, my daughter is moving to private school and
Nice.
it's really far and it's not possible. You cannot live here and
No, definitely not. You're right. You're right.
especially that now everything is going back to normal and
Yeah.
hopefully we're gonna go back to normal. So when his 401 is 2 hours drive to Mississauga. So
That's the problem with the Cove. Everything's slow. Like everything speeds up, right?
yeah,
Traffic-wise, it's going quick. Everything's good. But yeah, once everything opens up again,
it's not gonna happen.
nope,
You're
everything's
go back
gonna.
to normal
Yeah, it's
when
crazy.
you hate yourself on 401.
Did you take this off? The super?
Yeah. He came and he told me that there's what's called this maybe it's called the rainbow or something. Or, what is this called? This one?
Snake?
The snake, yeah. He told me his snake is broken and he has to call the plumber to fix it.
Oh yeah? So, you're good now?
Pretty good. Good to hear.
What's that? Good to hear? Yeah,
Another 5 years.
hopefully. Keep your hot water on
Yes.
for about a half an hour.
Sure.
Okay? That way it's just going to help melt down the grease that's still in there.
Yeah, if there's any.
Yeah, exactly. All right, my friend. You are
Yeah,
good.
nice to meet you and
So, yeah, just keep it on like that.
end of the day to you.
What's that?
End of the day to you. No? What's gonna happen?
I still got at least 3 more jobs.
Wow.
And then anything that comes in after hours goes to me as well.
Always working on all this apartment buildings or around?
I gotta go down to Jane and, you know Jane?
Jane. Wow, that's far.
Jane and Black Creek area.
Okay.
And then I gotta go to Weston Road. And then I gotta
After
go
Jane, okay.
after Jane. And then I gotta go to Oakville. And then I'll probably end up having to come back this way. And I live past Hamilton.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
You know what? I was living in Mississauga.
Community.
I was living in Mississauga and Oakville. But we were buying a house
You bought a house in Hamilton?
out past Hamilton, yeah. Couldn't afford.
I have a house in Hamilton.
Yeah, whereabouts?
You know Canadian Tire on Queenston?
Queenston,
And Queenston was...
Centennial?
yes.
Okay, yeah, yeah.
No. Yeah, correct. It's in,
So like Stony Creek area.
yes. It's after,
Yeah, it's right on the-
this what's called Red Valley Highway. You know that when you're going from QW, you go to Red Valley.
Yeah, Red Hill.
Red Hill or
Yeah,
Valley?
Red Hill Valley.
Yeah, Red Hill Valley. Yeah, right beside this.
Oh, nice.
King and yeah.
Yeah, I'm actually up the hill, just past Rymel Road.
On Stony Creek? In Stony Creek or on Hamilton?
It's technically called Hannon. It's actually a different little township.
Okay.
But it's if you keep going up the Red Hill,
Okay.
and once you get up to Upper Red Hill, there's a
Okay.
cutoff, Upper Red Hill Mud Street.
Okay.
I'm like 5 minutes from there.
Okay.
So,
Okay. How
but-
much you bought for?
how much?
Yeah.
I paid $565
When?
a year and a half ago.
Like me.
Yeah?
19.
Uh,
I bought it with 560. It was duplex.
nice.
It's 4 back split. I rented out both
Perfect.
because it was split already. It was 560.
Nice.
It was nice, yeah.
That's good. Yeah, I got we were on and off, like my house, I got almost half an acre.
Oh,
Yeah, so like
mine is way smaller than this. Mine is 60 by 40. 120 by 60.
yeah, mine's
It's almost double.
200 by
Double.
75 or 100, yeah.
Almost double.
So it's not bad. We like it. But that's the only place we could find that we could afford. It's
Yeah, in GTA. The other way is going to Oshawa. I just got another one in Oshawa,
oh yeah,
750.
See?
In March, which is back to 19 was 560. So because of the inflation, it go 200 more thousand on just one right here.
really, eh?
Yeah, it is. Because of the inflation, your house now is equal to 750
Oh, probably, yeah.
or 725.
See, look. That's my front yard.
That's good. Good.
Big driveway, right? And then backyard is the same as the front.
So again, this is not back split. This is regular house.
Yeah, fully detached.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know the back split, correct?
No, it's not back split.
You know the back split.
Yeah. No, this one, no, it's fully just two level.
Yeah.
But it's good. All right, brother.
If you want to sell it, you can go to, I don't know if Oshawa is better. Oshawa is better for you. It's closer to GTA.
I won't leave there now. My wife likes it there. My in-laws, I got my in-laws living with me.
Oh, yeah.
So we made a basement apartment for them.
That's
and they love it there now, so.
But if you're going to sell it, it's going to be great because you have two units now.
Yeah.
It's separated or not?
No. So it's basically just the in-law suite, right? So
If you try to close it and separate it,
we would have to dig a
dig
separate
more?
entrance.
Because of the, yeah.
No, not because of that, just to make it,
With a separate entrance to make it legal, I know.
yeah, because you need an emergency exit.
But in Hamilton, you don't have to do it legal. You have any way to rent it out to have it with a separate entrance.
Yeah.
But you don't have to go to the city and make it legal.
Oh no?
Oshawa, yes.
Really?
You have to. You cannot do. And you
Really?
cannot rent it. But in Hamilton, no, not the same case.
Really, eh?
Yeah. I had the same issue. In Hamilton, it's not regulated. But in Oshawa, no, it's regulated.
Really?
Yeah.
See, that's how they get you, eh? Everywhere is different.
Yeah. Every city is different.
That's it. All right, brother,
Alright.
you have yourself a good day. I'm going to throw those keys in the mailbox.
No worries.
Have a good day. Thank you. All right, there you go, guys. It's been Jay, that drain guy, signing out. Taragna.